Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a card to file Vagaro. I know that this can be a bit confusing, especially if you're new to Vagaro, but I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it easily. Before we get started, I want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Question: So, how do you add a card to file Vagaro? Answer: To add a card to file Vagaro, you need to log in to your Vagaro account and go to the Cards tab. Once you're on the Cards tab, click on the Add New Card button. You'll be prompted to enter the cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've entered all of the information, click on the Save button. Your card will be added to your file Vagaro. Additional tips: you can add multiple cards to your file Vagaro. You can delete a card from your file Vagaro at any time. You can update a card in your file Vagaro at any time. You can use your cards to pay for appointments and products. I hope this video has helped you to add a card to file Vagaro. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And that's it for today's video on how to add a card to file Vagaro. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.